what? This is a privilege working beside all these talented artists. If you guys haven't seen, you got a treat coming tomorrow because I mean they killed it.
Yeah, it don't matter what you do. Yeah, it don't matter what you say. You ain't gonna get away.
40-yard dash.
You ain't gonna get away. She got tats on trains for the dope blue skies.
Deco-Crete, the 2026 Decorative Concrete Expo.
I want to say this process has been really, really cool, really fun. Really excited that we got to come here and do something phenomenal. We had some great responses from the crowd.
I really like how it's coming along. It's a lot of other people are enjoying it as well. And you know, I think when it's done, it's going to be pretty badass.
Our experience here, how fun was this? We had opportunity to work with so many people. We learned a lot of things. You know, can't wait to come back next year.
Tired.
I'm feeling great.
Good. We came out of the gate hot on Tuesday, and I think we got ahead of the game. We've kind of stayed ahead of the game. We've hit all of our marks. I'm feeling pretty good.
Yeah, always some hurdles when you're doing this kind of thing with traveling and setting up. So I mean, we got to overcome them, and I think we gave a really cool look here.
In third place, with a total of 488 points, Team Kick-Ass.
No, we're just here having fun. So win or lose, we win because we're going back to Hawaii. So.
In second place, Team Concrete Guild Cody.
We feel good, you know, a little sore, a little tired, but we keep on pushing.
First place, with a total of 801 points. All the way from Indiana,
we were shooting to impress, and I feel like, we got it, with the project that we got done.
Our corners, and then any of this loose stuff we just take and blow it back up on what we already did, so it doesn't leave any void.
And this is one of those things that this part doesn't have to look perfect because we're covering all this up.
You wanna get into my brain now. Sorry when I hit the ground, 'cause I never
more of a, when I give a customer a color chart, it's like what they see, what they pick is closer to what they get.
Stamps, there's skins, there's brushes, you can pick up rocks and throw it. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's the timing, just like concrete's everything.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Rick Thomas from Rick Thomas Concrete. We came to check out the 2026 Deco-Crete Expo, and I'll tell you what, you guys, there's been some killer talent here today. So if you guys ever haven't made it to the Deco-Crete Expo next year, definitely put it on the list.
My time. None of you people can tell me to stop. This time, like the last time, you better get ready to race to the top. Ready to do this, show you what the truth is. I step on the field, it's time to get real. I'm feeling so ruthless. My time. None of you people can tell me to stop. Lower the lights down. Hand over my crown. Hand over my heart. I do this for my town. I do this for my crowd. So turn me up real loud. My time. None of you people can tell me to stop.
Oh, here we go, folks. Wheelbarrow Finals. Thank you guys for being the sponsor.
Thank you for allowing us to be the sponsor. You know, we appreciate you guys' business, and you guys put on a heck of a show here. It's been a lot of fun.
What are these guys winning? So this is a lot on the line here. Golden wheelbarrow, chain, bragging rights. You got a shock stopper tamper, you got an Arctic cooler, you got a JBL speaker, you got a dragster trolley machine dolly, you got our granite stamps.
This is big stakes, high stakes stuff. High stakes stuff. Oh no, Chris got it over. Austin knocking the host over. He's already into the rhythm section. Austin has a huge lead. Oh, Chris, he's up there. Austin coming around the cone. He's got one more turn. He's coming across the pond and that. Up on the backstretch. Chris is stuck in the gravel pit. And we gotta have a winner.
You're gonna put that right in his living room.
Hey, brother.
Say this booth was full all day yesterday. We did good. I mean, our neighbors are kind of jealous of us, so that was kind of fun.